How to possibly save and restore your eyesight with one ingredient. Many people around the world are having problems with their eyes, and if you are one of them, then you're probably tired of going to your eye doctor and spending a lot of money on trendy glasses. Doctors normally prescribe you a new pair of glasses every year, and you get frustrated because your eyesight theoretically should have got better. This is the main reason why we all buy expensive glasses that should improve your eyesight. But unfortunately, your glasses can only help you see better, but they won't improve your vision. And you should also know that your vision will get worse if you don't address the root of the problem. We are going to show you how to use this powerful ingredient to save and restore your eyesight. The name of this miraculous ingredient is saffron. Yes, many experts around the world think that saffron is one of the easiest ways to improve your eyesight naturally. Saffron might save your eyesight. First, you should know that saffron can only slow the progression of eye diseases like macular degeneration, which causes blindness. Have you ever heard of saffron collected by hand from the deep red stamens of the saffron crocus? The saffron spice is worth up to $800 per pound depending on its quality. It is used in a variety of applications, including as a food spice, a colouring agent, and a treatment for the disease. Some 90 illnesses and counting can be treated with saffron. What's saffron? Saffron is a spice that contains antioxidant carotenoids, crocin and quercetin among other ingredients, with strong antioxidative cellular and neuroprotective properties. Crocin from saffron has antioxidant activity stronger than alpha-tocopherol and can prevent the formation of peroxidized lipids and can partly restore superoxide dismutase activity. The health benefits of saffron are shown to be due to these two carotenoids. A recent study has discovered that taking oral supplementation of saffron 20 mg per day for 3 months in patients with early stage age-related macular degeneration induced a significant improvement of retinal function and visual acuity. The famous Professor Sylvia Bisti, who carried out the research in patients with age-related macular degeneration, patients' vision improved after taking the saffron pill. This has created a hope that saffron may be a natural answer to stop or delay vision loss from macular degeneration. In the eye study, macular degeneration patients who ate a diet containing saffron began to experience self-recovery, which resulted in improved vision. Professor Sylvia Bisti, the lead researcher of the study, said, "Saffron appears to affect genes that regulate the fatty acid content of the cell membrane, and this makes the vision cells tougher and more resilient." How much saffron is recommended? Can we get it in our diet, or is supplementation necessary? Well, the medical experts say that you should follow these instructions for the eye health benefits. One needs to take 20 mg of high quality saffron per day. Yes, one can take a similar amount of saffron spice that is added to the food or prepared as a tea.